Hey everyone, Couch Investor here back with another video for you today. So in today's video, we're going to talk about a competitor of Lemonade. Most of you know I love Lemonade. I hold it to a very high regard. That does not mean I cannot find better investments or invest in a competitor of Lemonade. So in this video, we're going to talk about Hippo Insurance. Yes, another very cool name that has nothing to do with insurance. The only problem is at the moment they are private. But most of you know, private companies can very quickly become public companies through SPAC. So again, this is going to SPAC. There are rumors that they're going to SPAC with a company called RTP. Some very interesting people are in that company. We're going to look at that. We're also going to look at the graph and what might happen when such an announcement will be made. We're also going to go and have a first look at Hippo Insurance because as of now, there's still no investors presentation because we don't know when or if they're going to go public. So financial numbers are really not very available to us as of now, but still a very interesting company. So we're going to look into that. But before I do so, if you enjoy these videos, leave it an early thumbs up as it really helps me outgrow the channel and get my videos out there. It also contributes to charity. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button. We're almost at 12,000 subscribers. So thank you very much everybody that has been subscribing. Now without further ado, let's dive into this. Alright, so looking at the graph, RTP, Reinvent Technology Partners, as of now is at $13, worth around, I think, $1 billion or $1.1 billion. But you can imagine that if, let's say, the deal is announced or the rumors are intensifying, then you would probably see a huge green candle that will go probably close to $14 to $15. Something that is obviously logic or not logic in this market is that buy the rumors, sell the news, but in this case, it's going to be buy the rumors and buy the news as well, because everybody is going to compare it to what Lemonade is doing and what Lemonade is worth as of today. So it wouldn't surprise me if the stock rose 20-30% when a deal is announced. As of now, I don't have a position. I might open a position soon, maybe even on Monday, so who knows, because I really find this company interesting. We're going to talk about that right now. So the big reason why people are very excited for this deal is because of those two people right here, Mark Pincus and Reid Hoffman. Those guys are held in very high regards. Mark Pincus is the founder of Zynga and Reid Hoffman is the co-founder of LinkedIn. Some of you know Microsoft bought LinkedIn. This is the guy. But one of the things that is probably a bit annoying right now is that the valuation is a bit high at more than $5 billion. We still don't know or we didn't have any financial numbers. There are some articles saying X and Y, but still I would like to see the actual investor presentation and what the actual numbers are. But still more than $5 billion. That means that if they're going to SPAC, the moment they will be on the public market, you could see valuations between $6 to $10 billion, which is right now more than what Lemonade is worth. So again, hyped stock, SPACs are pretty hyped these days, so that's why you pay this extra valuation. Alright, so now that we've got that out of the way, what does Hippo do? Who are they? What makes them so special? So a couple of things. First up, we have that Hippo is not an insurance carrier unlike Lemonade. They are insurance agents, but they last year acquired a company called Spinnaker, which is an insurance company. So that means that they are insurance carriers, but still after the deal concludes, Hippo will still operate as a managing general agent with a portion of its premiums underwritten by its affiliate Spinnaker. The balance will be underwritten by other carrier partners. So like I said, unlike Lemonade, which is the insurance carrier, Hippo is the insurance agent, which means that in the states that they work with, as we can see right here, not in all of the United States, I think around 32 or 33 states, but by the end of 2021, they want to be available to 90 or 95% of the US population. And as you can see here all the way down on their website, you can actually see Hippo Insurance Services is a general agent for affiliated and non-affiliated insurance company. Hippo is licensed as a property casualty insurance agency in all states in which products are offered. As you can see here, even after the acquisition of Spinnaker, which underwrites the policies, those are available in all of the states mentioned here. In the states that obviously Spinnaker is not available to offer those services, they go through another company that is called Topa Insurance. Now that's one of the main differences. Homeowners insurance only and insurance agents. But just like Lemonade, they offer very fast insurance in 60 seconds or in 4 minutes, depends on where you are, how fast you can type, how fast you can answer the questions. But again, they are also using technology, AI-based satellites to improve the insurance experience, which is something that the CEO and the co-founder has said, which is something that really relates to what obviously Lemonade is doing and other insurance companies are not doing, is that they want to be your home caregiver. Adding that, we call it proactive insurance. It's avoiding a claim from happening in the first place. We are doing everything to help you best take care of your home. Now, most of you know a lot of people don't like insurance companies because, well, they feel they're just a number in their system. You pay them a lot of money each and every year, but when you have a problem, they usually don't really take care of you. This is why companies like Hippo, Lemonade, Root, Metromile are getting some traction right now, because they are actually doing what insurance was supposed to do in the first place, which is take care of their customers. Which moves into my other point, to what makes Hippo so special, is that when you're buying insurance, homeowners insurance with Hippo, you are getting some smart devices, some IoT devices for your house. Some smoke detectors, gas detectors, maybe some cameras to make your house safer using smart devices. What does that mean? That means that instead of when something bad happens, try and find out why it happened, who's the culprit, whatever. They already know everything since the data has been recorded when the event has happened, which is also an advantage because when you install those devices into your house, you get a discount on your premium, because obviously insurance is there to make sure your home is safe and that nothing will happen to your house. Because as the CEO said, they want to prevent something from happening and prevent you to come and maybe claim some damages, which makes total sense. If you can prevent a fire, prevent something from being stolen from your house, it saves a lot of time and a lot of money to both parties. Now, one of the major reasons why I actually like Hippo, even though they are competitors to Lemonade, which is one of my biggest holdings. Now, another thing that makes Hippo very interesting and why I actually like what they're doing, even though they are competitors to one of my biggest holdings in my portfolio, is that they're not just insurance. They're actually taking care of where you live. Your home is probably your biggest expense you will ever make in your life. And they're taking care of it, not only with the insurance you're taking, but with taking care of maybe your roof that needs a re-roofing. So they will send a roofer to your house and fix that. How do they do that? With the use of satellites. Let's say you're working from home, you have all your work equipment with you, which is worth, I don't know, $2,000, $3,000. It is probably not insured by your usual insurance policy. They are actually going to contact you and say and tell you, hey, do you have some extra appliances, some extra stuff in your house that is worth a lot of money? Maybe that's not covered as of today. If you have some issues with the plumbing, if you have some issues with, I don't know, some appliances you bought, you can actually call Hippo and they have a professional team that will come and fix the problem for you. One big example of what I really appreciate what they're doing is when there were fires in California, they actually contacted those people that have Hippo insurance in the areas of the fires and told them, look, get out of the house. We're going to handle everything. We're going to put you in hotels until this situation gets better. This is something that legacy insurance companies will never ever do ever in their 150 years of existence, which makes Hippo a very good company, a very exciting company to invest in actually. And that's why I might be considered buying this stock as of Monday or as of next week. Again, I would like to see their financial. I might just open a tiny bit, maybe 1%, 2%, and then continue on adding after I've seen some financials. Right, so to conclude, hopefully this wasn't too long as a first look at this company. If I forgot some things, leave it down in the comments below, but don't be like, oh, it's 10 times better than Lemonade or Lemonade is 10 times better than Hippo. Both of them can be very good and big players in the insurance industry in the next 10 years. In my opinion, in 10, 15 years, those legacy insurance companies that you know right now will not be even close to the top. Companies like Amazon will probably be at the top. Apple. For car insurance, every car manufacturer might be in their own leagues. Who knows? Companies like Hippo, Lemonade, Root, Metromile might also be there in 10 to 15 years because they are actually making insurance what insurance was meant to be, which is be there for their customers. So again, if I've missed something, let me know down in the comments below. That will be it for this video. If you liked it, leave it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button. And as always, guys, take care, stay safe, and see you all in the next video. Bye bye.